Hello and welcome back to RumShopBoy. If you've been following this budget rum series, you'll know that there are some incredible bottles available without having to spend a fortune. But today's list is a little different. These aren't necessarily the most famous rums, they're the bottles that deserve far more recognition than they get. Some are overshadowed by bigger brands, some come from countries that many people don't associate with rum, and some are simply hidden away on the shelves while everyone walks straight past them. If you're looking to discover something a little different, without breaking the bank, these 5 rums definitely deserve your attention. So let's get started. We begin in Cuba. Now, when people think of Cuban rum, Havana Club usually gets all of the attention. But Ron Legendario Dorado is another bottle well worth discovering. It's smooth, approachable, and full of flavours like caramel, vanilla, and gentle oak. It's the sort of rum that's easy to enjoy neat, but also works brilliantly in cocktails. If you've only ever reached for Havana Club, this is definitely worth trying instead. Next, we have something completely different. Banks 5 Islands. It's exactly what the name suggests, a blend of rums from 5 different islands. That creates a wonderfully balanced rum with tropical fruit, spice, and just a little Jamaican funk. It's a fantastic example of how blending can create something greater than the individual parts. It doesn't seem to get talked about very often, but it really should. Most people only know Gosling's Black Seal because of the famous dark and stormy cocktail. And that's a shame, because this rum deserves to be appreciated in its own right. Rich molasses, dark fruit, caramel, baking spices. There's far more going on here than many people realise. Yes, it's brilliant in cocktails, but don't overlook it as a sipping rum either. Next, we're heading to somewhere many people don't even realise produces rum. The Seychelles. Takamaka Extra Noir is packed with flavour. Rich tropical fruit, oak, vanilla, gentle spice. It offers fantastic value and is a brilliant introduction to a rum producing country that deserves much more recognition. Now, if you've never tried rum from the Seychelles before, this is a great place to start. Finally, let's visit Nicaragua. Flor de Caña is a well-known brand, but I often think this 7-year-old gets overlooked. People tend to jump straight to the older expressions, but the 7-year-old offers wonderful balance. There's vanilla, oak, light spice, a touch of chocolate. It's affordable, versatile, and a great everyday rum. Sometimes the bottle that gets overlooked is actually one of the best value options in the range. Those are 5 budget rums that I genuinely believe deserve much more attention. Have you tried any of them? And are there any underrated budget rums that you'd add to this list? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the rest of my budget rum series. Thanks for watching, and remember, drink more rum!